Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the 1 hour chart of gold in front of us, and right now gold is trading around 2328. This is the current market price, and right now we can completely see a sideways market or a range bound market. We have a resistance around 234041 level, and we have a low made by the market around 228687, and right now market is just staying inside the range only. And in sideways market, okay, the simple trading strategy should be buy at support, sell at resistance. Many people lose money or find it very difficult to trade in sideways market because we fail to keep patience. We enter on the middle of the chart and we end up losing money. Okay, yesterday also similar thing happened to us. Okay, this was our yesterday's analysis. Okay, so we discussed about selling around here, selling around 2350, and then buying around 2300. Okay, we discuss all those stuff. Okay, but we also discuss another two or three trading opportunities on the middle of the chart. We discuss about high risk buy around 2318 and 2315. Okay, and a sell below 2309. See, they look good at that time, though they were a little risky, but they look good at that time. But still, okay, though we knew it very well that okay, buy at support, sell at resistance is the best trading and the safe trading strategy in sideways market, but still we took these trades. Okay, personally, at least I took this trade. Did well, okay, but this trade, okay, hit my SL, and this trade also hit my SL. Okay, why it happened? Because I violated the rule. So that's why staying in discipline is very important in market. So if you really want to make money in sideways market, then yes, try to stay away from the minor levels and stick to the major levels only. Okay, so yesterday we violated the rule. At least I had to pay the price. I made some money around 2318. I have buy. I took a sell around this level. Okay, these they did well. Okay, overall, okay, we had a 50% accuracy on. It's good. Okay, but still, okay, our SL was hit because we did not follow the simple rule. Okay, so let's not make the mistake, and let's trade good today. So at first, let's look at the economic calendar. So today we can see that today we do not have any major event. So we can expect the present market sentiment to continue. And if we consider the present market sentiment, gold steady underpinned by Fed rate cut bets. Gold stabilizes near 2330 means there is no particular direction in the market, and we can expect the present market sentiment to continue. Means we can expect the market to remain sideways, or we can expect the market to remain choppy. If that's the case, we need to be careful. We need to avoid entering on the middle of the chart. Simple. Before I proceed with the levels, I would like to make an announcement that 2 days ago I made a video on my channel. Is Forex trading illegal in India? I made the video in English, but many people have requested me to upload the same in Hindi language because they could not understand the technical aspects in English. So, my dear friends, I will be uploading a similar video on Hindi, explaining everything in detail on the Hindi channel. Okay, you will find the link in the description. So please subscribe the Hindi channel if you want to know about फॉरेक्स ट्रेडिंग whether it is legal or illegal in India. आपको सब कुछ पता चल जाएगा. मैं डिटेल में बताऊंगा. यहाँ पे ये 18 मिनट का वीडियो, मैं वहाँ पे और भी डिटेल में बताऊंगा. ठीक है, ठीक है. सो प्लीज सब्सक्राइब द हिंदी चैनल where I'll be discussing. So right now market is standing around 2327, or this is the current market price. And if we look at the major levels, then the next immediate major resistance is around 2337 to 2341. We have already discussed in our previous video also that 2337 to 41 is our no trading zone. At least we should avoid buy because of multiple price rejection around this area. So if market enters this zone here, If market enters this zone here, at least do not look for a buy position, and if market reverses, then we can look for a sell. Okay, we also discuss another buy opportunity around or buy at breakout, which is above 2341. Okay, this was our buy at breakout level. Okay, but right now we can clearly see that there is not much volume in the market right now, and so especially before the US session, if market goes up, also try to avoid buy above 2341, because just like yesterday, okay, our sell below 2309 failed after 20-25 pips. Okay, many of you exited also. I did not exit. I had to pay the price. Okay, but still, okay, if there is not much volume in the market, so obviously our buy at breakout or buy above 2341 may fail. Okay, so please be careful. So I will consider this as a high risk. Okay, I will consider this as a high risk trade, and this is a medium risk trade. Okay. If we go for a sell, if we see market is reversing from 2337 or 41 level, we can look for a sell. Then we have another good selling opportunity around 2350. Why 2350? 2350 is a round number psychological level, and already we have discussed multiple times, so I don't want to go in detail. But yes, we cannot deny that at 2350 we also have the FIBO 61.8% retracement level. So 2350 seems to be a good level. At least we can expect 40 pips, but if the selling pressure is high, then we can also expect 70 to 80 pips as well, but initially we should be looking for 40 pips at 2350. So today also in a WhatsApp group, okay, I updated, see, medium risk trades, these are high risk trades. So we need to understand actually is that not all trading opportunities are same. So we can look for a sell at 2337, 2341 if market reverses. If market breaks 2341, volume will be important before US session. Try to avoid, because the breakout may fail. It's a high risk trade. Okay. And if market reverses on 2350, we can look for a sell as well. Okay. 2366 is also a selling opportunity, but it is far away, so let's leave it. Today is also a US holiday, so chances of market going to 2366 are very less. And my dear friends, world's most affordable forex trading workshop is starting from day after tomorrow. I conduct a session in both Hindi and English language. दोनों language में होता है. The workshop has been designed only for those people who are struggling with the market, unable to make money for last couple of months and years. These are the benefits that you will be getting if you join the workshop. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. In 3 days, these are the topics that we will be discussing during the workshop. And in 1 month support, you will be a part of a WhatsApp group, okay, where you'll be receiving regular market updates like this. We also have a Telegram group for the interaction among the other members, where you will meet lots of traders. You can ask questions, share ideas. And in 1 month support, okay, there will be weekly sessions as well. These are the topics of the weekly sessions. So there will be total 7 classes. And these are the dates. Hindi classes starting from day after tomorrow, 21st, and English classes are starting from 28th of June, 28, 29, and 30th of June. These are the timings here, and the sessions will be conducted over Google Meet. If you are unable to attend due to time difference, no need to worry. I record each and every session. Okay. And the best part is the fees always. Okay, world's most affordable forex trading workshop. It should be affordable, isn't it? So for 3 days workshop with 1 month support, okay, it's only $15 or rupees 1000. Means in 1000 rupees, you will be getting 7 classes and regular market updates on the WhatsApp group. Trading is a journey. Trading takes time. Sometimes it is not possible to cover everything in 1 month. So yes, we have semi-annual and lifetime support as well. If you love my work, if you stay connected to me, stay in touch with me, you can definitely sign up for semi-annual or lifetime. In semi-annual, okay, you will be getting support for 6 months plus 2 personal sessions to clear your doubts and talk to me. In lifetime support, okay, you it's only $125 or rupees 8,000. Okay, you will be getting 6 person sessions with me to learn, to ask questions, to clear doubts. So if you are in a journey, okay, if you're finding very difficult to understand the market, then semi-annual or lifetime support can be useful for you. These are the payment options, my dear friends. Okay, once you are done with the payment, simply share the screenshot to this WhatsApp number. I will add you to the group immediately. Okay, so that's all, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Then we have another buying opportunity around 2300. Already we have discussed many times in our previous video also. So 2300, 2304, the buy is still very much active. We can look for it. And we also have a good support around 2287. Remember the low made by the market previously? Yes, the low made by the market previously is still a very good support. In case market surprises us today or tomorrow, we can look for a buy around 2287. Okay, so these two are the good buying opportunities on the chart of gold right now. You can see that apart from these levels that we just discussed, I have also drawn, okay, lines on the middle of the chart. Wahi khujli, the itch. Okay, so those who want to take the risk, because okay, some are beginners, some are experienced traders. Okay, those who want to take the risk, those who have the risk appetite, you can look for a 20, we can look for 20 pips bounce around 2 3 2 3 2 3 1 9 and 2316. These are the three levels where as a day trader you can look for a quick 20 pips bounce, not 40 pips. 20 pips bounce because we do not have much volume in the market. We are simply drawing FIBO here as market has respected our FIBO 0.236. So we are expecting a quick 20 pips bounce around these areas. One level, one bounce only. Okay. For example, if market comes to 2323 and market bounce back, okay, do not expect the market to bounce when it comes to the same level for a second time. No. So these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold right now, my dear friends. Please be careful, follow proper risk management. Today we have a holiday during the US. So in US, okay, so there should not be much volatility during the US session. But yes, market is crazy, so cannot say anything. That's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.